Are you craving a Big Mac but wondering how to use your McDonald's gift card on DoorDash? You're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to make your McDonald's order hassle-free using DoorDash. Check your gift card balance. Before you start, ensure McDonald's gift card has enough balance. You can check this on the McDonald's website or by calling their customer service. Update your apps. Make sure you have the latest version of both the McDonald's and DoorDash apps installed on your device. This ensures compatibility and smooth operation. Log on to DoorDash. Open the DoorDash app and log into your account. If you don't have one, creating an account is quick and easy. Set your delivery address. Enter the address where you want your McDonald's order delivered. This is crucial for finding nearby restaurants. Find McDonald's. Use the search function or browse through available restaurants to locate McDonald's within the DoorDash app. Select your items. Choose your favorite items from McDonald's and add them to your cart. Proceed to checkout. Once you have added everything you want, head to checkout. Payment section. In the payment section, look for an option to add gift card or promo code. There where it gets tricky. DoorDash does not accept McDonald's gift cards as a payment method directly due to a separate payment systems. Alternative payment methods. Instead, you will need to use a credit card or debit card or a DoorDash gift card for payment. While it may seem like a hassle that you can directly use a McDonald's gift card on DoorDash, these steps will help you enjoy your meal in no time. So if you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Happy ordering!